What's going on, everyone? Very quickly wanted to show you guys Trimtek's architectural shadow bead. Now on this particular job, we had a huge amount of shadow bead. We had approximately 2,000 linear feet of shadow bead on this job, and I'll show you exactly what we used it for. So you can see on this doorway next to me here, we have nice 1/2 inch reveal around all of the casing. So this is what we did throughout the entire house. We did it around all the doors, all the baseboard as well. Now the baseboard's not yet installed, but essentially when the baseboard gets installed, it's gonna overlap 1/4 inch onto our bottom reveal bead here. That way, after the baseboard's installed, after the flooring goes in, baseboard's in, you're gonna have the same 1/2 inch shadow line as we have around our casing along the bottom of the baseboard. So your baseboard is actually sitting underneath the drywall. It's recessed. Just like our casing here, our casing is not sitting on top of the drywall. The casing was installed first, the door jambs were in, casing was installed. We stopped our drywall about 3/4 of an inch short, and then we installed our 1/2 inch reveal bead right along the edge like that. Everything has to be mitered. You cannot use tin snips to install architectural shadow bead. You can, but you most likely won't get the best results. You can see the detail there. So we use a miter saw, so you're able to miter your pieces together, nice and sharp miters. That way you don't have a lot of touching up to do. So along all our casing, we installed our 1/2 inch shadow bead. Along the bottom, we used 3/4 inch shadow bead. So the architectural shadow beads are available in various sizes to accommodate whatever size drywall you're working with. So in this instance, we use 5/8 drywall. So we use a 5/8 thick shadow bead. So it's also available in 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. And then there's different size reveals as well. So there's always an A and a B side to shadow bead. So if you take a look here, our A side is 5/8 thick because we are using 5/8 drywall. Our B side is a 1/2 inch thick this way because we wanted a 1/2 inch return around our doorways. So again, 5/8 by 1/2 inch. If we were using 1/2 inch drywall, we would be using 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. So like I said, available in various sizes depending on the thickness of drywall you're using, whether it be 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and then the return leg along the back is also available in different sizes. So around all our casing, we use a 1/2 inch reveal. Along the bottom where our baseboard was installed, we use a 3/4 inch reveal. So the reason we use a 3/4 inch reveal along the baseboard is to allow a 1/4 inch overlap of the baseboard onto the bead itself. So that way, when the finished look is completed, you have the same 1/2 inch reveal along your casing as you do along the baseboard. So that's why we use a 3/4 inch reveal, because it allows for that 1/4 inch overlap. So it gives you room for error, because of course, as we know, houses are never built completely level. Floors are never quite 100% straight. If we use the same 1/2 inch look around the door, then the baseboard would have to sit under the bead. And like I said, if it's not straight, you don't want to risk being able to see any gaps or see through the wall. So this way, by using 3/4 inch along the floor, it means that our baseboard can overlap on the bead a 1/4 inch, and then that way we're left with the same 1/2 inch detail when the finished product is completely installed. So our baseboard is going to be countersunk below the drywall. So we're going to have the same look as we do along our casing here. So you can see our casing's flush with the drywall. When the baseboard is installed, it's going to butt up to the side of this casing. Along here, it's going to overlap a 1/4 inch onto our bottom reveal. So our finished product is going to look the same throughout the entire house. We're going to have that same 1/2 inch shadow reveal along all the doors and along all the baseboard. We'll make sure to give you guys another update once this house is further along and everything's, once the flooring's in, the baseboards are in, we'll come back and show you guys what that final look looks like. So that gives you a brief overview on Trimtek's architectural shadow bead and one of its many uses. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you were able to learn something from it. If you didn't find what you were looking for, make sure to check out our other videos because we are constantly uploading new material. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we release new content. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.